Hey guys, Roo here, and let's be honest, before I get into the video, if you're a subscriber of mine and you've seen this video in your subscription feed, and you can't really remember who I am or why you've subscribed to me in the past, I don't really blame you. I know it's been quite a while, and I know you guys have really been in need of my soothing voice to get you through this tough year, but in reality, I've just kind of stepped out of the YouTube world for a while just to focus on some other stuff happening in my life. But in the meantime, I have been making some improvements to my setup though, and I've also put a couple of shelves up in that 10-month period, so I feel I've been pretty productive. But now onto the video, and what better way to get back into the groove of making videos than to review another microphone. This one is another great bang for your buck condenser microphone that upon me unpacking it, it really was clear that this is a really nice bit of kit. And just to be clear, the lovely folks over at Tonor or Tonor, I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it, but I hope I got that right. Specifically Belinda was extremely kind by sending me my very own one to review and also film some sexy footage of for your viewing pleasure. And also for your hearing pleasure too, because this crisp voiceover is being recorded entirely on the Tonor TC20 microphone. So let me know how it sounds in the comments and hopefully this will give you a good idea. So if you're listening to this video and you're thinking about picking up the microphone, I've got an exclusive link in the description below which will give you 15% off your order. So let's start by taking a look at what you get inside the box. Firstly, it's really nicely packaged, it's got plenty of foam to protect it, so I'm not worried about it being damaged in the post. And then when you'll find the instruction booklet and also a warranty card, it's got a 2-year warranty, a metal shock mount, the best boom arm clamp I've ever used and seen, and a very sturdy and high quality boom arm, which is much thicker and more premium than all the other boom arms I've gotten from mics in this price range. And also the mic itself. You'll also find hidden in the bottom an XLR cable, which could be slightly longer, but you know, it looks pretty decent, and a foam windshield, a pop filter, and some cable straps. Yeah, you do really get pretty much everything with this microphone, and it is all really high quality. Briefly looking at the microphone itself, it's got a really premium metal feel, and I would say it's about average size really. There's no volume dials on the microphone and no headphone monitoring points, but this is an XLR microphone so you will need to plug it into either a sound mixer or maybe an audio interface if that's what you want to use, because it does require phantom power to run. I'm running mine through my pretty large sound mixer, which is probably overkill for any kind of streaming or podcasting, but probably not, and it works just fine. I've got 48 volts of phantom power going through it. And by doing that, you can also plug in a pair of headphones to monitor it as you would live monitoring with any other microphone. The microphone has a cardioid pickup pattern, where in basic terms it means the pickup will be focused in front of the microphone, making it great for voiceovers like this one, podcasts, singing, or even just voice chats if that's what you're into. I'm not too knowledgeable in the specs of microphones, but if you are curious to know, then I'll list them right now. The included pop shield is really easy to use, and it's great at eliminating the popping sounds that occur from words with aspirated plosives such as the first P in the word popping. I really like the shock mount too. It clamps the mic really nicely and tightly without the worry of it sliding out like I've experienced with other worse shock mounts in this price range. The included boom arm is, like I say, really high quality. The clamp is really big, so it clamps my desk really well. I'm not worried about it kind of getting wobbly or anything like that. And the boom arm is really durable. It holds the mic weight really well, with plenty of rotation to fit any kind of desk size or setup. Overall, I'm really happy with the sound of this microphone, and I really didn't experience any hissing or background noise at all when using it. The sound is extremely crisp, and the frequency response is relatively flat with a slight increase in the highs, meaning my recording resulted in very clear audio, which I'm sure you'll agree while listening to it. Overall, I think this would be a great mic for anyone who's just getting into podcasting, streaming, or really any other voice work. And if you... Thanks for watching, guys. If you're still subscribed to me after not uploading for 10 months, then thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're a new viewer to this video, then please do please do consider subscribing to me if you found this video helpful, or if not, even just leave a like, that would be great. Leave a comment as well if you've got one, or if you're thinking of getting one, of what you thought of it or what you do think of it. And yeah, I'm working on some great videos. I really enjoy making this one. I want to kind of reignite my passion. And I've sort of made some improvements to the video quality. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, stay tuned. There'll be some great videos coming up. See you later.